Hello guys, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari, and today we have Shubham Bharti with us, and he will be sharing his experience of TCS. So first of all, I would like to welcome Shubham. Hello Shubham, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Pulkit?
I'm also doing good. So before starting with the interview process, please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay. Hi guys. My name is Shubham Bharti, and I'm currently working in TCS, and I have completed my graduation from Bharti Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, Lavali, Pune, and I'm basically from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So Shubham, we'll start with the selection procedure. So please tell our viewers in brief about the selection procedure of TCS.
Yes. I have been applied for the TCS in last October 2020, and then I got NQT mail, National Qualifier Test mail on first half of November, and then after clearing the that assessment, I got interview mail for that in December, and then that's the procedure of all the.
So we'll start with the test details. So please tell our viewers like what kind of questions did you face in the test, how many sections were there in the test, and what was the duration of it.
NQT test is basically of kind of four sections in it. First is verbal, and second reasoning, and third is aptitude, and last and foremost is coding section. Basically, in verbal section, all the basic sentence jumbling and the synonyms, antonyms, all these things were there. And then in aptitude sections, there are the questions like time and work, train, cistern and pipe, and these all the means number system. These types of questions were in the aptitude section. And talking about the reasoning section, in reasoning section there were the questions like pattern matching, and all the sentence matching things are were there, and decision making also. And in coding part, there were two coding questions. One was very normal string and array based question, and then another is a same kind of question, but they have asked it in very jumbling way, just like they are giving us one example, and on that example we have to derive that particular kind of question which they are asking to us. And then after applying logic, we have to solve that question. So overall test was very good, and very competitive actually, and every student who study according to that scenario will definitely crack that.
I would also like to tell our viewers we have a dedicated video on aptitude and reasoning. You can take the reference from there as well. So Shubham, the time was enough to complete the verbal ability, reasoning, and all sections. Were they difficult?
Yes, aptitude questions were bit difficult, but there was enough time. Means if for the 15 to 20 questions, there were 30 minutes, so you can solve that questions in sufficient time. But when you solve the all the sections, there you can feel that you are not getting so that much time to solve that all the questions. So you can feel that there was the problem actually.
Okay. And you were talking about the coding round that there were questions on strings and all. So for a student
Yes.
who is from a non-CSIT background, so will it be difficult for him or her to complete both the coding questions?
Yes, little bit difficult, but yeah, if we practice on the strings and array things, which is very basically for basic for the computer background students, and it is also easy for the students from non-IT or non-CS background. If they practice it for a month only, they can easily solve that questions. So questions are very basic, but they are asked in different ways, means they are jumbled.
Okay, okay. And as a whole, the verbal ability, reasoning, aptitude, and coding, how will you rate the difficulty level of all the four combined on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll rate it as 7.5.
Okay. So Shubham, we'll come to the interview process. So please tell our viewers what kind of questions were asked in the interview, and how many panelists did you face in the interview?
in interview there was three panelists, one manager, second HR, and third was technical interview. And basically there was in the starting they were asked me about tell me about yourself, and I just briefly mentioned my previous background, resume data, and my family background details, my strengths, my weaknesses, and these all things. After that, the manager of forwarded me to the technical technical panelist. Technical panelist take interview of mine around 30 to 35 minutes. Means in that span he asked me about the which language do you want to prefer while coding. I said Java. Then he go through all the Java concepts, means just like what is constructor, what is the interface, what are the classes, what is object oriented programming, and all that stuff. He also asked me things like concepts about web development also, just HTML, CSS, and basic concepts of HTML, just like href, what is href tag, and then in CSS, that thing. And also he asked me things such as uh, DBMS, and also data structure concepts, means all the basic concepts of all the subjects, all over computer subjects. So that was around 30 to 35 minutes. And then I have been forwarded to the HR. HR asked me about why do you want to join the TCS company. So I have told that TCS is one of the best company to start the career of any graduate which is being passed from the B college. And will you be comfortable with the shifts we are going to give you after the selection? Then I give them yes, yes, that thing. Okay.
Okay. So how will you rate the difficulty level of the interview on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll rate it as 8.
Okay. So did you get your joining date?
Yes, I have joined at 7th of July 2021.
Okay, that's great. And before joining, did TCS provide any modules or something for the preparation?
Yes, yes. In between, TCS has provided. TCS has one of their program for the new joiners, which is called as TCS Explore. In that program, you are getting the module for learning, just like Java, Python, SQL, and Unix system, and all for learning that modules. And it is also one exam for that new joiners, which is called as a CPA, camera proctored assessment. Means that after giving that examination, and after giving that examination, you will be able to get some incentives of the company. Just like if you crack the exam with 80 plus score, you will get the 60,000 incentive for that. And if you crack it for between 50 to 80 score, you will get the 40,000. And then so they have given the whole the module for the Java, Python, and all these things. And this all carries out to till the joining your joining date. So there is very interactive, and all the beneficial modules have been provided by TCS for new joiners till his joining to the TCS team.
Okay. So Shubham, as you have told that you have joined TCS from past 2 months, so are you happy with your joining at TCS?
Yes, I'm quite happy with the joining with TCS, and I am getting more knowledge from the seniors with I am working with. But all the things are going good, and I think uh, there is message from me for the students who think TCS is not good for the new joiners, but it is actually good for the new joiners. It gives you time to evolve and learn more things for yourself, and give time to yourself to be comfortable with the technical and will managerial things in the corporate world. So that is the main thing. And talking about opportunities with TCS, there are lots of opportunities with TCS. If you join as a TCS NQT cadet, you will be chance to give higher your package, or what we can say, your position in company itself. Every 6 months they provide you particular platform to get learn and evaluate yourself, and more evolve from that courses that you have been given to you. So that's the main thing and important thing about TCS, not just about working, but also get learning from the all the things which are being going by you.
Okay, Shubham, that was a great explanation. And at last, I would like to ask you, do you have any special tip for our viewers so that they can clear the test as well as the interview in one go?
Yes, I have to say only one word. Just stick with the your continuous flow. Means you are work you have to decided that you have to crack that particular NQT exam. So you have to prepare for yourself from today only, and give minimum 2 hours to a particular section, such as you are weak at the coding question. So you have to solve that question every day. At least one question every day. Then in just a month you will be that much confident to solve that every question in the uh, what you can say NQT exam. And talking about aptitude, verbal, and other reasoning questions, there you can as you have the mobile phone in your hand, you can simply download the verbal ability and a normal aptitude India Bix, or we can say that other apps, and you can study them on the flow. Means you are not forced to be sit 1 to 2 hours for that thing. You can learn it in your empty time, so that will be more beneficial to you. Without distracting on Instagram, you can uh, just look it at 5 minutes, and you will get habit of it. And you in the month, what why I'm saying the particular month, you in because that's like that time span is sufficient to gain and practice on that particular thing, and you will definitely able to crack that particular exam on that on your what you have decided.
Okay, that's great, Shubham. So this is it from my side. And also I would like to tell our viewers, if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel for regular such interview processes and interview preparation strategies, along with regular off-campus job updates. And also, if you have any other queries, you can write it down in the comment section. We'll surely answer it. So thank you, Shubham, for joining us and sharing your experience. And I guess everyone will be inspired from it and work hard to get into TCS. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, Pulkit, and congratulations to you that you are make that initiative to make experience videos, and those students get know about the what is being working internally, and how to face that particular situation which is being faced by them. So thanks to you, and congratulations to you.
Thank you so much for the appreciation. And thank you so much for joining also.
Thank you.